In this tutorial today, we'll be expanding this algebraic expression and we'll also be simplifying. Okay, here we have 3. Now inside the parentheses here we have x plus 5, then minus 2, then into x plus 4. First and foremost, whenever you have a parenthesis, okay, in an algebra, and you have a term, okay, outside the parenthesis, what you need to do is to distribute that term with whatever you have inside the parenthesis. And what does that imply? It implies that 3 times x will give us what? 3x. Now 3 times positive 5 will give us plus 15. Now the same way we apply this. Take note, here we have a negative 2. So negative 2 times x will give us what? Negative 2x. Now negative 2 times negative 4. Take note, consider the negative and negative because they are both multiplying. So negative 2 times negative 4 will give us what? Positive 8. And that's because negative times negative will give us what? Positive. Then 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. So in this case now, what do we do next? We have to collect like terms. And what are those like terms? And you can see 3x and we can see 2x. Why are they like terms? Because they have the same variable, x. Okay, so you bring that. Take note that 2x here goes along with this negative sign. So here we have 3x, then minus 2x. Okay, take note, it won't be positive because there is no equal sign in the expression. So then we have what? Plus 15. Bring plus 15, then you have plus 8 here. Okay, the next thing we need to do now, 3x take away 2x. As long as they are having the same variable, it implies 3 minus 2. So here we have 1x. Okay, then plus 15 plus 8, that should give us 23. 23. Take note, 1x is just the same thing as what? X, then plus 23. Final answer. Please like, share. Bye bye.